Hi friends, welcome to one more video from T4 Top Notch. I am Cheryl signing in. Today in this video I will be talking about the Woodman car Android, which I already installed in my car 6 to 7 months back. After watching my previous video, many of my friends had told like my background music was too loud and my voice was not audible. So today I thought of correcting all the mistakes in my previous video. Plus I'll be sharing my experience of using this car Android for past 6 to 7 months. So let's get into the video. This is how it looks like after installing the car Android player. This is nothing but a tab, I guess, like which is fixed into the car, which makes the car more smarter, more premium. So you can see how it is blending with the dashboard. It doesn't look like an extra fitting, but in fact it increases the looks of the car. The car look more premium. This is the main menu, which shows the Wi-Fi net connection. I have tethered it with my mobile phone, and this satellite, this shows the GPS, and this is having an antenna which is fixed over there. So this is the antenna which catches the signal and helps in getting the accurate location in map. This is the radio. On one touch the radio starts. This is the navigation, so in which we will be able to search and we will be able to find the direction for the places, so that once when we set the location in this, then we don't have to look into the phone while driving. This itself helps in getting the navigation part. Then next is the music player. So music player, we can install our Bluetooth music or the pen drive music, or we can even configure the YouTube. So on one click I have configured YouTube, so on one click the YouTube pops up. The performance is very good, but if you are having a very good net connection, then it will be still more faster. Just unlike our tab, we can search all the music which we want to play. My net is pretty slow, so it is taking time for getting the site to load it. I shall play few tracks so that you can hear the performance. I have not fixed any extra speakers or anything. I have just this is just a plug and play, so that you will have to remove your stock player and just plug in this. And Woodman is having a good service centers. Like they don't have a direct service centers, but they tell where we can get the things fixed. I have not fixed any extra speakers, just plugged in, and that's it. And this was my YouTube. Next is the app. This is like if you click on this, various apps get opened, like same like how we have in our smartphone. We have Google, Netflix, Play Store, and from Play Store we can download various apps. Like if we wish to have some different map app and all, we can download those. So like how we can search in our smartphone, Chrome, we are having Chrome. So if we want to search anything, like same like how we use our smartphones, here our Google. So if you're going to new places, if you want to find something good, we can just give a search, good family restaurant, and it will get you the results. This is run by 2 GB RAM, so it is pretty fast. And depending upon the model of your car, the price also varies. Like the price depends upon the screen size, the RAM, and this comes with another model in which we will be able to insert SIM also, 4G SIM. So in that case we don't have to tether with our smartphone. The SIM itself will be able to catch up the location. It's having Hotstar, Google, like our phone. It's having a different navigation app and all. And what I felt is like after installing this, I had gone to 2-3 long drives. So initially, once when we start our journey, our kids will be excited to start the journey, but as the journey proceeds they start feeling bored and they'll feel cranky, whereas we people will start feeling tired and we may the other passengers may tend to sleep, whereas the kids will be still very active and they'll be feeling what to do. So in those cases we can just play some songs, or we can play some movies also in YouTube, so kids can be kept engaged and they will really enjoy the drive because they are like they will be kept engaged, no. So and the quality after using for 6 months, there is no lag, or there is no what to tell, like I have not felt like, oh, did I lose my money, or like there was no sad feeling as such. I am really enjoying. Not only me, even my family people are also happy to have this. So once when we go for a drive and all, it's having internet. So in internet I showed you, like we will be able to see the search in Google, then we can tether with the phone. So this is the name, we can pair it. So this is nothing but we are just installing a tab, so that like a smartphone we are keeping a tab into the car, so that the car becomes more smarter so that we will be able to search the locations, like just as how we use it on our tab. So this is the basic things. And what I felt is like in this I had installed a different operating system, which is not the one which was given by the company. Then in between the system was not able to work smoothly. Then I called up the Woodman service center, and they were able to help me out remotely. Like I just took it on a video call and they told me what to do, how to do the settings. And not only that, even the pin for resetting the software also was sent to me through WhatsApp. So what I felt was like their service was also good, and some people do have some problem with some issues, but with me everything is working well. And not only me, even after looking at my system, even my brother, he had ordered for his venue. So for venue also he had ordered the player. So I shall just show that also how it looks in venue car.
Hi guys, so I am here to talk about the Android player that I've installed in my car. So my car is Venue S variant. So like you all know, this is the mid variant of Hyundai, where we get only a Bluetooth player and without a screen and without a rear camera. So I just wanted to have a rear camera facility in my car, and I approached my brother. So he had installed the Woodman application, Woodman car Android player in his car, and I felt it was really good. So even I wanted to get that. So I got it installed. One of the greatest benefit of Woodman the player is if you can just show the player here. Major benefit is you can see the sides of the player. So this AC vents, this fittings actually comes from with the player, so that when you install it doesn't look like it's done it aftermarket, or it doesn't stand I mean it doesn't see like a extra additional fitting, but it actually feels like it's come with the car. The fitting is actually perfect and actually amazing. I'm so happy with the fitting about that, and the build quality is also really good. If you can see the screen, I mean you guys can make out that the screen display is really good. For Venue it comes with a 10-inch touch screen, which is really fast, which comes with a 2 GB RAM. It's really good. And one of the major benefit also that I seen is when you put the reverse gear, it takes up the reverse camera and with the assistive lines. So I mean these are some of the features that really stood out for me. Also when you see the fitting, that's one major plus point for the Woodman company, because it's customized for each cars, and it's not like you have to force fit these items into the dashboard or the dash, but it's actually custom made for each cars, and it goes very well along with the dashboard and doesn't look awkward. It's really fantastic, really amazing. So just wanted to share this review. I have bought it like close to 6 months back, and I've never had any issues with the player or any apps related to this thing. So yeah, so that's about what I wanted to tell. It's a good company, so I always stand for Woodman.
Friends, this was a video on the review of the Android player which was installed in my car and in my brother's car. Hope this video was more interesting and better informative than my previous video on the same product. Hope you liked my video. Do support and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And if you have any comment, do post it in the comment box. Thank you.